Styccobond F30 was developed for application to carpet joints to prevent fibre loss along the seams. For details of specific floor coverings, always consult the F-Ball Recommended Adhesives Guide. Carefully pour the Styccobond F30 adhesive from the metal container into the dispenser bottle. And securely replace the cap. Cut the top off the nozzle at the desired angle using a sharp knife. Depending on the type of joint being used, gently squeeze the bottle to apply a continuous bead of Styccobond F30 adhesive either to the primary or secondary backing. Ensure that carpet seam edges are cut cleanly, fit neatly together, and that the edges are free from loose fibres. When not in use, place the cap over the nozzle to prevent the adhesive from drying out. Starting at the centre, gently feed the edge into the seaming adhesive, taking care to ensure the sealer does not squeeze up onto the carpet fibres. Finally, secure the joint using a Styccobond glider and carpet seaming roller.